In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix the Dsetup.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First, you have to check your system type. So go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and simply open a browser and then search for Visual C++ Redistributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and then you have to click the download link corresponding to your system type. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon and then double click on the setup file. So click on the I agree to the license terms and conditions and click on install. Or if you have already installed this, just like in my case, simply click on repair. Now once done, close the windows and then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. The next thing that you can do is to perform the SFC scan. So go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click Run as Administrator on the right pane. Type SFC space / scan now. Scan now just one word and hit enter. The system scan will begin, to simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once completed, type exit in the command prompt window and restart your Windows. Also consider to update your Windows. So click on the start button and then go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click the button right here to check for download and install the latest updates for your Windows 11. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.